Okay, today is November 13th, 2012. Mavi is on the 21st, he'll be 10 months, so we're going to try and practice this. He's like kind of crawling. Mavi, look, come get it. Go get it. Come on. Mavi. Come on, Mavi. Good job, Mav. Good job, Mav. Mommy's so proud of you. Oh, that might be too far. Huh? So proud of you, Mommy. Awkward. We know you can walk. Yeah, you're okay. Chase, you're totally video bombing this. Anyway, yay, Mavi! Uh-oh. What's this? Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Yeah! Maverick! Yay! Good job, baby! Chase, watch out. Go drink or something. Mavi! Where'd he go? Oh my gosh. Good job! I'm so proud of you. JC, come here and sit down. Can you sit? Good job. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Mavi, go get him. Oh my god. That wouldn't count. Yay! The first thing he crawls to is to bother the dog. Oh my god. Mavi, I'm so proud of you. No, leave that alone. No, don't touch that. Mavi, come. Mavi, come on. No, don't touch. Okay, no. Don't touch the buttons either. Hey, leave it alone now. Oh, don't touch that. Mommy's watching TV. Hey. What are you doing? Mavi. Hey.